Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with hashtag Friendship Any Day. This open collaboration is hosted by my dear crafty friend Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. I have a few VRs, some Happy Meal and souvenir shares in this video. So if you like to see it, keep watching. Speaking of Dale, her giveaway is still ongoing. It's called hashtag 2500. Here I come. And I will link her channel down below. More recently, she did unboxing of some of the entries that she's received so far and had done an update of what she'll be giving away. So I'm going to put that particular video in the description box so that you can learn more of what you could possibly win. Dale is an amazing junk journal artist, and so she is giving away, I believe, 2 junk journals to the winners that she might pick for the US and Canada. It is also open internationally, and for that I think she will be offering a gift card. So super fun. Another crafty friend and who is also just an amazing junk journal maker is Pam from Pan Vanny, the journal maker, and she is having a spring giveaway. Super easy to join. You have to just watch her video, be a subscriber, and comment that you would like to be entered in her spring giveaway. She had done a beautiful flip through of this lemon/bee theme journal. It is a must-see. You have to see it. And she also has other journals that she has available in her Etsy shop. So please make sure to show them some support. Another crafty friend who lives in Canada is Colleen from Jed Art Creations. I'm not sure if it's still ongoing, but she is hosting also a giveaway. She is also another amazing junk journal artist. So please make sure to check out these ladies' channels and have a look and see. I will put again the original giveaway announcements for all 3 of them, so that way you can get an idea what is in store in terms of what you might be winning if you decide to join. So right here we have this beautiful matted postcard or art print, and it's a Banksy art that my sister had gotten or brought back as a souvenir for myself. She's a big fan of his art, so I thought this was gorgeous. I'll be putting that in my craft room. She also knows I love Audrey Hepburn, so she got the graffiti art Banksy print here, and I thought this was really awesome. So thank you so much to my sister Corey. I love it. So I'm going to put that aside. I looked in my mailbox and found some really fun little envelopes. I got some Happy Mail. The first one here is from Liana from It's a Deal. Liana is an amazing crafter. She hosts some wonderful giveaways as well and some project shares and swaps, and has been a really amazing supporter of so many channels here in our community. Look at this cute bunny card. So let me read what she has. Oh my gosh, there's so many goodies in here. It says, "Hi Clarissa, wishing you and your family happy Easter." Oh my gosh, she found some Hello Kitty in my stash and thought, oh, that she would share with me. Thank you so much. So let's see what she's found. Oh my gosh, I love Hello Kitty for sure. And look at this one with her baguettes in a little paper bag. That is too cute. I love it. Thank you, Liana. She's also shared some little Hello Kitty dies. That's awesome. I do not have that. And then let me take these cuties out of the bag. Shared some bunny little die cuts in this lavender color and white. I love it. Thank you. I have one more Happy Mail here, and this time it's from Mystical Misty. And you guys, if you haven't gone to her channel, she's also super talented. She has some wonderful project shares, and she also is hosting, I believe it's an embellishment collaboration, so check that out. She also has a second channel where she unboxes some subscription boxes for a metaphysical type subscription boxes where they have crystals and candles. I really enjoy it. She's also made me a boho journal that I had custom made, and I will link it at the end if you want to see that flip through. It is gorgeous, and I really treasure that journal. So let me see if I can get this card out. It's a little snug. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Misty. You are so thoughtful. This is my first birthday card. I'm celebrating it on March 18th. So thank you so much for thinking of me. I did see her make these beautiful cards. I think she made numerous ones. And look at the way she has made this with the butterflies, the background with the collaging, and the beautiful sentiment in the front. So let's open it up. And it says, "Hi, Kara. I hope you're having an amazing birthday, Misty." I love it. And she's also shared some washi samples, which is super awesome. I just love it. Look at the spring theme. And then we also have some beautiful gold foil hearts. Thanks so much. So again, guys, make sure to check out these wonderful ladies' channels down below. I will link all their channels, and hopefully you can join in some of the giveaways that are ongoing at the moment. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.